Graz Pepper, another day. It's a beautiful Wednesday. We've just had a light sun shower. It's currently 24 degrees and it's Wednesday the 24th of the 9th, 2025. It's a free barbecue, water station, place to place your rubbish. What more could you want? Absolutely beautiful day. Muddy's is busy again. The boats are going out to Fitzroy Island and Green Island. 9 o'clock and they haven't got the water on. That's something unusual, being school holidays. Just remember there's lots that you can do. You can bring the kids down here. When you bring them down, there's rules to abide by. But there's also toilets. So bring the kids down, have fun. That's a little water park. Does come on later on today. And the good thing is you're always on camera. There's free Wi-Fi down here as well. Just enjoy the view. I could do a boring walk and just keep filming this way, but most people come to see the sea. It's always fun down here. Got plenty of birds in the tree. Just mind that they don't leave you a present as you walk underneath the tree. How amazing is this morning? Literally, before I started, it was a sun shower. Now it's perfect. Just be awesome. Come down to Kingfishers, have a lovely barbecue. Just be careful when you're walking in the sand. There's broken bottles. Got our beautiful Australian flag. The RSL's just about to open. Keen punters. All the pelicans coming in. Oh, we got 23 today. What a lucky number. 23 pelicans. They're getting more and more each time I come down. Having fun, having a bath. see it's pretty quiet for 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. They got the pool closed still today. Must be for cleaning. So the lagoon's closed today, or this morning. That's what the orange rope is around, to make sure that it stays closed. Have you got little things all over the place? Yeah. Woohoo, the first time you see the lagoon free of people. Bless you. Here you go. This is the lovely lagoon when nobody's in there. Except for the birds. Don't worry when they do that, you just put your arms out. The sandpipers don't like that too much. Because you're way bigger than what they are. You just say, and they understand the back way. Some rules down here. Let's see if you can tell us why it's closed. So remember, kids under the age of 13 must be supervised by a person 18 years or older. The lagoon is closed today from 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. But it'll open up. So they're just doing general maintenance, checking everything, making sure that nobody's dropped anything sharp in the pool. It's really good. Plus it gives us a chance to get it cleaned and fix up any possible leaks, which they're doing now. So remember today the pool will open again at 12 o'clock. It's going to be open 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. How wonderful is this view? That's Graz prep for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.